All right, I think we are now live. Okay, so we are live. So the U.S. inflation report will be coming out. Let's say 9 to 10 minutes from now. Okay, so that is exactly what we are going to be paying attention to, and this has a way of actually affecting the market. All right, this CPI report has a way of actually affecting the market. So it could be positive, it could be negative. All right, so if the reward comes out lower than what it was last month, then we can actually start expecting that the market will be moving to the upside. But if it comes out higher, okay, then there could be a dump in the market. All right, there could be a dump in the market. So right now, what I personally advise is, if you're a novice, if you're a beginner in this space, you shouldn't make any decision yet, because you still have from now to the close of today, okay, to actually get a clear direction of what the market is going to do. Because when the market start pumping right now, when the market start pumping, to go, as the report is coming out, you see that Bitcoin will start reacting, okay, to the whatever the situation of the report will be. All right, so you always see a pump to the upside, you see a dump to the downside. All right, going to liquidate those who are holding long positions, and then those who are holding short position, and then it will now stabilize. After doing that, it will now stabilize. So I just have some few. All right, for those of you who are copying my trades already on FAIRDESK, I just have some few limit orders opened here. Okay, what I want to pay attention to is to trade, okay, cash this market at each reversals. Okay, so what I have done is to look at some of the highs and lows, the level of supplies and demand on the chart, okay, on the 1 hour time frame, and then I'll see how far the market can pump and how far it can or how low it can go. All right, so if that happens, then I'll be able to catch up with it and be able to start trading the reversals. When it reverses downward, I want to take advantage of that. When it goes upward, I want to equally take advantage of that, and all of that. All right, so let's kindly exercise patience, because that report will come out in 7 minutes. The report will be out. Okay, so let's see what happens once the report comes out and see how it will actually affect the market. Now, what you can do is to use the comment section and tell me, okay, if you understand what CPI report is. Let me know in the comment section, but if not, I'll just give you a brief explanation to what summary of what the CPI report stands for, and how it can actually benefit you as a trader. Because when we talk about volatility nature of the market, it doesn't mean whether once you trade futures, you can actually benefit from this, whether it goes up or down. All right, so let's just see how this worked out. That is exactly why we are here on this live video. Let's see how this will play out. Internet no go let me disconnect it. right, so do let me know on the chat. Okay, use the chat section and let me know what you think. What will be the outcome of the inflation report today? Okay, will the market pump or will it dump? So do let me know. Use the chat section to let me know what you think the reaction of the market will be to the report today. So the report is coming out in the next 4 minutes. Okay, in the next 4 minutes this report will be out, right? And that will actually have an impact on the market. So let's just wait, just exercise patience. Let's wait and see what the reaction of the market will be like once this report is out. Okay, so the market, I'm still trying to get the reward. Okay, the report should be out by now, but market is actually reacting to that immediately.
Exactly as estimated, guys. So it's going in on 6 points. See, it's exactly as estimated. That's at least what I know right now. Refreshing my.
So I'm trying to get the report.
That's where it was anticipated. It's not likely to see a peak.
Let me try to reload the website and see if we can get that. Okay, so this is actually start affecting the market, right? Okay. Okay, so okay, so this is exactly what I was saying. So I think my limit was at 500, 500, so it was close. My limit order was at exactly at 500. So if it has taken that, if I've made it around 600 or thereabout, then this would have been, so it has not taken any of my trades yet because actually set those limit at 500. Then I said the short position at 22, okay, 22,000. So right now this spike here didn't actually take any of those trade, but let's see how this turns out, because the report here actually came at 6.4. Okay, it is actually slightly above as expected. All right, 6.4 as against I think the last month zone was 6.3 or thereabout. So this came in a bit higher, and that is exactly what is actually causing some of this movement you're seeing in the market right now, the dump you're seeing in the market. So it came in slightly above what was expected. Okay, but let's see how this actually turns out to be. Right, let's see how this turns out to be. If we're actually going to, let me go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see how this plays out. Okay, so we are still within this support level here. Okay, so um, the market has not actually changed that much, doesn't at all. So in an hour or two from now, okay, the market will take a particular direction and start facing that way. It could either start going up, okay, or start dumping, depending. All right, it could either start going up or start dumping. So we're still expecting a breakout from this area right here. Okay, we're still expecting a breakout from this area, either to the upside or to the downside. So it's either this will break, okay, the 22k level here to the upside, maybe up to 22,500 or 800, or it will break it down to the downside. If we actually break below 21,500, then we can start seeing this market going down to 20 or thereabout, 2,800 or thereabout. So let's see, you still have between now, okay, between that the next 1 or 2 hours, this market will still be reacting to the current report that we just got right now. So if you're going to be opening positions, just be careful, okay, just be careful and follow the market accordingly. If you must open positions, make sure that you use tight stop loss so that you don't get liquidated. If you get liquidated, that will be worse. Okay, so I think I'll just end this right here because my trades didn't trigger as expected. Okay, all of my limit, the trade I opened with limit order didn't trigger as expected, so I have one short trade and then the others are long. So these long trades are from 21,400, 21,500 upward. All right, but this drop here, okay, didn't actually get to. I was expecting that the market would get down to around 21,500. Then I would have taken a position to the upside. Then if it gets to 22,000, then I would have taken a position to the downside. All right, but I still have between now till the close of today to actually see how this trade will turn out to be. So if it turns out well in my favor, that will actually still work.